I'm so glad you found us. If you love RVs and you have toys that you want to haul, then you have just found the right video for you. Because we are Hensley Homes and we build cargo conversions specifically for the toy that you love. As you can see, this is an 8.5 by 24 foot trailer that we have converted to haul their favorite toy. We added windows along the sides. You have an escape door so you can get out. You can also see there's extra lights that have been added, about 30 I believe. And there's also underglow light on this particular trailer that was added. All in all, it turned out to be a really cool project, and I can't wait to show you what it's hauling. I can't wait to show you what's inside. So here we go. What do you think this thing hauls? Yep, you're right. It's a Jeep. A full-size Jeep. A 4-door full-size Jeep with a lift kit and oversized tires. And it fits in there like a glove. And there you have it. A beautiful Jeep. This entire cargo conversion was built around the favorite Jeep. This Jeep has a lift kit on it. This Jeep has oversized tires, and it has been their favorite toy for many years. So making sure that it was well protected while it was driving down the road was also something that we wanted to make sure that we did. It has extra tie-down straps that were installed. It also has blocks, so they know exactly how far they need to come in to the trailer, because it goes right up against the kitchen cabinets. And as you can see, he is starting to bring it out of the trailer. You can see it's tight. It was designed that way. Every inch has to be accounted for when you're designing in a small space. And that's what we wanted. You can also see along the top, it barely fits, but that's what you want. You can also see that as he begins to pull out, he has some marks that he uses to help guide him. Unloading it is actually the easiest. Loading it is harder. And they've come up with some really cool ways to make even that process simple. And we'll show you that in a little bit. But first, let's get this beautiful Jeep unloaded so that we can show you what we've done inside for living space. Isn't that a beautiful Jeep? It's 4 doors. It's not a compact thing. It's a large Jeep, actually. But this Jeep has been in their family for years, and they wanted to make sure that they could take it with them and continue to do the things that they wanted. Having a hotel room is a hard thing when you have a trailer and a Jeep, and so they came to us. They actually already owned the trailer, and they wanted us to customize it, and we did exactly that. This Jeep has been in and out of that trailer probably 50 times, making sure that all the cabinets fit, making sure that we had plenty of room for the bed, making sure we had room for the flip-down counter. It also had to go in there because we needed to make sure that the back of it was still going to clear everything once all of the back springs were enclosed, and it did. Isn't it gorgeous? It's a very cool Jeep. And now I really want to show you this. Yes, this is the inside. Everything in here is custom. Cabinets were custom, tabletop was custom, countertops are custom, cabinets have all been customized, and they've all been stained so that everything in here matches accordingly. You have a 55-inch TV that swivels, and you can watch it from the back patio. You have a 1-compartment sink. You have a modern faucet. That seat is deep. It's also 25 inches wide. It also has a nice sized pantry right next to it. You can also see a custom cabinet that's been made for the refrigerator, the microwave, air fryer, convection, and broiler. You can also see the added hooks, as well as the mini split. This particular unit has it all, even a flip down table. But the best part might be the bathroom, with custom tile on the floor as well as the shower pan, a flushing toilet, and a beautiful little vanity, which again has a nice granite top. The granite top has been extended to give extra room so that you can use it to get ready. and a really nice modern faucet. This space turned out just perfect. The extra window, the rain head shower head, the beautiful cedar in the bathroom. You actually have a handheld wand that you can extend clear outside of the trailer if you want to wash your feet out there, and the modern fixture in the shower as well. All things that are custom. But let's talk about the Murphy bed. The Murphy bed with a couch, actually. Then you have the flip down table. All of these things have to fold up because remember we had a Jeep in here. You can see the Murphy bed down there with the patio extended. Really sweet space, homey feel, something that you would be very comfortable in after going out for a long day of riding. You can come home to your own space and you can enjoy the evening at some place like this. This couple wanted that freedom. They wanted the privacy, they wanted the quiet to be able to take their Jeep, go on their excursions, but they wanted a place that they could come back to and maybe even work out of if they were gone for an extended period of time. And I think we did that just like that for them. So now, let's put the Jeep back in it. I told you that they came up with a really cool way to load it, and you can see it right there. It's actually a railing system that they came up with to help guide it in so that it stayed perfectly aligned and you didn't run into anything. And as you can see them loading it here, you can see the only inches. Everything is customized so that everything is used, every inch is used in here. Small spaces are about inches. And as you can see it, it is coming all the way in. You can see the spacing on the other side. You can see the spacing here. And as he rolls up closer, when he finally gets next to this cabinet, you saw it extended earlier. Now it's been put down, and when he stops, he has about an inch to spare. There's also the blocking there that allows him to know exactly when he is in place. From there, all you do is you tie it down, you shut the ramp door, and you are ready to take off. But as you can see, it's a tight fit. But that's what custom is all about. Custom is making sure that your toy fits and we still have all the living space that is needed for you guys to enjoy your time out playing with your new toys. Or old toys, depending on what you want to haul. So there's a quick look that lets you see exactly how tight it is, but it is functional when it gets in there, and all that's left is some tie downs, and you're ready to go. I hope you've enjoyed this. This particular unit, it is 8.5 by 24. It's a bigger unit, but it hauls a Jeep. We build these in all sizes. You've probably seen the other video that has the Spider. That particular one, the garage area wasn't as big, didn't need to be. So if you have one that you want designed, and you want it to look as cool as this one, please hit us up at Hensley Homes. We would love to design one specifically for your toy.